So I'm going to show you how to fill your tire and where to get the tire pressure from that you're going to fill it to, so you're filling it correctly. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look in the driver's door, and there's going to be a tire pressure nameplate that'll tell you exactly what the tire pressure should be for the front and back of your vehicles, and all vehicles will be different. So and then what you're going to look for is you're going to look for the front tire. This is the tire size, and this is the tire pressure, kilopascals or PSI. On this one it's 35 PSI, and then on the rear, on this one, it's 32 PSI. Spare tire size, tire pressure for the spare is 60 PSI. And that's what we'll be filling our tires to. And as you can see on this truck, the tire pressure is totally different. So on the front of this car, the tire pressure is 32. On the rear of this truck, the tire pressure is 35. Okay, so the thing you never want to do is use the tire pressure that is actually written on the tire to fill your tire. This is just a maximum air pressure that the tire can handle. You don't want to fill it to this point, because if you overfill it, the tire could explode. So you want to go by the tire pressure that's indicated in the door. Okay, so now that we know the tire pressure for this tire, it's 35. So basically you just take the valve cap off, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fill it up with one of two things. You're either going to have a piece like this that'll be on there that you're going to fill it up with, or one like this. So at the gas station, it's a little different. It has a handle here. This is where it's going to read the pressure, and this is the part that goes on the end to connect. And basically all you do is you press it on the end, and you'll see that's going to read your pressure. Fill it up by pressing this. All you do is you push it onto it, and you fill it up to there. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to check the pressure, just to make sure you know what it's at. So for this one, this is a tire pressure gauge that you put in. You hold it, and then it'll read the tire pressure on the outside of it like that. On this one, this is a gauge one. So this one, you push it in, and it reads the tire pressure that way. So you can see the tire pressure on this one. And then another one, very similar to the other one, and you can also get these in digital. This one would be the same thing. You push it on, but this one clamps on, and you can actually fill up from here, and it shows the tire pressure. So this tire pressure is supposed to be 35. Right now, showing this is just a little under, and on the other one, it's about 1 pound under. So we're going to fill it up. So right now it's perfect. It's at 35, just a bit over. And that's how easy it is to fill your tire up. You just want to make sure that you don't overfill the tire, because it could explode. And you want to go by the tire pressure that's indicated on the door, not the tire pressure on the tire. So do not use the tire pressure indicated on the tire to fill your tire. Okay, hope that helps you out. Hope this makes it a little easier and to fill your tires. Hope gives you some information on where you get your tire pressure from as well. Okay, take care.